Make a batch of my Snowflake Dinner Rolls recipe and you'll be filling your home with delicious aromas of freshly baked bread. Start by making the yeast mixture, combining the yeast, some of the sugar in the warm water and setting it aside. In the bowl of the stand mixer, combine the flour, salt, and the remainder of the granulated sugar. Place the bowl on the stand mixer, and with the dough hook, mix the dry ingredients together until just combined. Then add the proofed yeast mixture, the milk, crack in the eggs, and then your melted butter. Stir on medium speed until the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients are combined. Raise the speed to medium-high and mix for 4 to 5 minutes until the dough is nice and stretchy, tacky, and not sticky. Lightly flour a clean surface and then transfer your dough to the surface and fold it onto itself, kneading it until it forms a nice smooth round ball. Cover it and let it rest for 20 minutes, and then divide the dough into 16 equal pieces. You can do this with a scale or by hand. Then roll each ball of dough into a ball. You can shape it with your fingers or press it against the table in your palm and roll it tight. Lightly grease a 9x13 baking tray. Place the balls of dough in the tray, cover with plastic, and let them proof for an hour or until doubled in size. Remove the plastic and then take a small sifter and lightly dust the top of the buns with flour, then place them in your preheated oven. Once nice and golden brown, remove from the oven, let them rest for about 10 minutes, and find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.